Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know, this is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I love doing my come with me videos, but I do pick up some stuff when I go to the Dollar Tree. So today I'm going to show you guys the items that I've been picking up. Probably, I know it's been less than a week, but it's like a collective haul of items that I picked up within this week's time, and like during the times that I take the camera to the store and show you guys what's in there. So I want to start with these because I think they are super cute, and I picked up three. I picked up duplicates of the one, but they look like this. And what it is a cactus pin, and the top is like, look at that, it's like a silicone or something like that. I love it. And it's really big, and the bottom has the cap on it, so you can take the cap off. So you have this style that looks like that, and then they also had this one that looks like this right here, and this one has the cute little pink flowers on the ends of them. So these are the two styles that I saw. I didn't see any others, but I did pick up three. The next two items I picked up were these cute little balls. Oh my goodness, these are like mini tennis balls for your dog, and they're called sounders, and they say tennis dogs on the front, squeak and bounce. They're extra bouncy and super fun. And the reason I picked up two is because they're small, and when I take my dog to the dog park, if I throw one and another dog takes it, like whatever, I'm not gonna be worried about it. But I love that you get four in the pack, and I am gonna squeak this. I know sometimes when I squeak toys in a video, I'll get comments like, oh, my dog heard that and went crazy or whatever. So I am gonna squeak it. And I'm sure my dog is out there like, what was that? What was that? So I picked up the two because I had to, and I like these, and I can't wait to open these and let my dog play with them. Next, if you watched that one video and you came with me to Dollar Tree, you saw these. I said I was gonna get these, and I did. I think there's another pair somewhere. I don't know, unless my daughter took them, because I did pick up the ankle socks that had the cherries all over them. I don't know if you remember that, but these two I definitely needed. These are crew socks. So you get the two pair, you get the striped pair right there, and you get these that say very cherry. That's my favorite summer fruit, so I had to get those. And then these are these were just too cute not to get. And you get the milk and the cookie, and it says BFF. Love those. And I love the blue striped socks. Love the polka dots. Super cute. And like I said, there was another pair, but I don't know where they at, unless they're in here thrown in this basket. But for right now, these are the only two I could show you. They had some new Band-Aids. I think the last haul I did, I picked up the SpongeBob ones. Now I picked these up because they are super cute, and I'm not gonna lie, even if I get a little cut or something, I like to put these kind of Band-Aids on. I just think they're cute. But this one, Ugly Dolls, I had to get. And those are the pictures that you get in there, and I just think these are super cute. You get 20 of them in there. And The Secret Life of Pets Part 2, I was surprised I didn't see Toy Story 4 Band-Aids yet, because Dollar Tree is good for putting Toy Story 4 stuff in there now. And this is what these look like. Is that showing up? So you get that set right there. And how many's in here? They both come with 20 of them in there, and I just thought these were cute. Okay, in the cleaning section, I picked this up. I have not seen this before. I don't know if this is new. I'm not too familiar. But this one is by Towel Plus, and I know Dollar Tree does have a different bottle of cleaning vinegar there, but this one is with Oxy. So it says with Oxy right there, and so that made me feel like, okay, let me go ahead and try this one out. I did smell it. There is no smell to this at all. Let me make sure, because that was like 2 days ago I smelled it. Yeah, the only thing I probably can say I smell very light is maybe a tiny hint of vinegar, but very light to where I don't even really smell it. But I'm gonna give this a try. It is, like I said, with the Oxy. The only thing I don't like about the bottle already is the top. I like when my spray bottles stay, you know, one way. So this one, it rotates, and I don't know, I just don't like that. That's just something I don't like. But yeah, I picked this up. I did get some of the cleaning towels, which are the washcloths, and you get 4 of them. I did get the ones with the little ducks on them, and this one with the cute little bathtubs on it. I also got these right here, which I showed in the video, which was the So Fresh, So Clean little white towel. I thought this would be a cute little decorative towel to put in a bathroom, and then this set right here comes with the 2 towels. They've been putting a bunch of little zipper pouches all over the front registers, like all different kinds. So these were the only 2 that I picked up. I just thought these were cute. I actually saw these in the 99-cent store as well, and I didn't get them. But I think my daughter was watching one of the videos, and she was like, Mom, if you see those again, can you grab 2? So I picked these 2 up for my daughter. Now, I saw these Armorall odor eliminator for your car, and it's a vent clip. And so I picked up the ones that I saw. And I did smell them. They do have a little scratch and sniff type sticker on each package for you to smell. I'm not gonna lie, this cherry one kind of reminded me of cherry throat lozenges. They smell like medicine a little bit, but it did have a sweet smell. So I'm gonna try it out anyway. It says they last up to 30 days. So I picked out this one, which is Cherry Blast. I got this one, and this one is an essential blends, so it has essential oils in this one, and it was lemon bergamot. This one smells really good. This is also an essentials blend, and this one is called pink grapefruit. This one is citrus pomegranate, and then the last 2 aren't essential blends, just like the cherry one. These ones were the fresh FX, and you have classic cotton and lemon berry. This one smelled good too. I picked up one of these men's grooming kits, and you guys, I picked this up for myself because I don't wax my eyebrows or anything like that. I kind of clean them up a little bit, you know, underneath and on top. So I'm gonna see how good these little scissors are, because I have a cute little pair of scissors that look like a, what kind of bird is it, like a crane? I think I got them from Target a while back, and they're this size, and they're a crane, and I use them to clean up underneath my eyebrows. So I got this to see if I can use that for the same thing. Plus I like the little comb. I can just comb and clip, and so that's why I picked that up. And then I also, you guys saw me haul these, show these in the video at the store. And this is the Cheetah Mask by, I think it's Opal, the moisturizing and lifting. I also got the, what is that, a mermaid, and the unicorn, and also the llama. So I did pick up those 4. I think there was one more at this moment. I cannot remember what it was. Was it 4 or was there 5? I don't know. I can't remember right now, but yeah, I grabbed these. I also picked up these little scrunchy hair ties. They look like that, and I love that they're really, really small. And Pooh Bear wears braids, and at the end of his braids, when I'm done and I want to pull them together, I do use like little scrunchies or whatever. So these will be for him, and I love that they came in black, blue, and gray, and white. So I thought that was a good deal to get 40 of these for $1. And then the next couple things because this will be the last items that I show that is not back to school related. The last couple things, which I saved to show you right now, is all back to school items. So if you don't want to see that, then just letting you know ahead of time. But before that, now they had some fall stuff out, and I think I took like 3 or 4 pictures. I'll put them at the end of the video so you can see the pumpkins, because they were so pretty. But it's the same stuff that they usually put in Dollar Tree around this time of the year. Fall is near. So I did pick up these 2 signs. This one says thankful, and this one says gather. And these are these like little wood signs. I'm trying not to let the glare hit you. And they're really cute, and I like the border. They have the little checkered prints on them, or plaid, or whatever you want to call it. And I just thought these were cute, and I know that these will go fast. They do have the little thing on the back for you to hang them up on the wall if you like, or you can sit them on the table or in the fireplace, wherever you want to put these at. But I thought those were cute. And like I said, they did have some of the little pretty pumpkins out, but I still have mines from years ago, so I didn't need to grab them. I think there was one that was new. It was pretty, and I told myself, you don't need that. I didn't get it. Now watch, when I go looking for it when I want it, I won't find it. Okay, so these last items are going to be back to school. I did show you guys these Sterilite containers. Let me sit them down. So they look like this, and I recently did see these in Walmart. If you cannot find these in Dollar Tree, they do have them at Walmart for 97 cents, just in case you are looking for them. They had different colors. I do, however, like this clear color, and they do have the little pegs on the end, so you can stack them next to each other, or you can put them on top of each other. So the pegs let you, you know, keep them together if you want. You can add a little bit of glue in there and push them together so they don't come apart, but they are stackable as well. So I picked up 4 of these. I also grabbed 2 of the pencil boxes that are in clear. They had different colors, but I just like the clean look of the clear, the white acrylic style. So I picked up 2 of these, and these are by Storex. That's what the tags say, Storex. So I picked up these. Okay, so in my walkthrough, when I first showed these pencil pouches, how many of you, if you watched that video, give me a show of hands if you knew that I was gonna get these 2 right here. Because I am a sucker for stuff that has like little foods on it and everything, and I thought these were adorable when I first seen them. I love the little coffee and the donuts and the little frappuccino, and then you got the tacos and the ice creams down here, and these are the ones where you get 2. So you get a plain one, and then you get the pictured one in the front, and this one is purple like that. So if you knew I was gonna get these, let me know down in the comment section how well you know Pretty and Flawed, because I had to have these. I also end up seeing the pencil case, and of course you guys know I did pick up this stuff for my daughter, but if she doesn't want them, then I will use them for something. I don't know, coupons, something, I will use them. But this was the cute little pencil case. It kind of looks like it's in 3D. As you can see, the pictures are moving. Look at that. And it has the little food pictures on it to match the little pencil cases. So it has the snap like that, and then it just slides out. So, you know, Dollar Tree is putting out their back to school stuff. They have a lot of it out. I just haven't been back to film any of it, but I will soon. I also picked up this composition book. Super cute with the coffee on it, and the little coffee and the donuts on the back, and it's just regular lined paper. To go with the whole little food theme, I did get the highlighters and the pens, and those do match as well. So they have the food on them. This one has rainbows, this one has the coffee and the donuts, and so you get, was it black ink? Yeah, the highlighters are assorted colors, and the ink pens are just black ink. These aren't back to school, but I did get these when I showed them during my walkthrough, which was the But First coffee, because I thought that was cute. And you have the little coffee cups down the side, and then I also got this one that says everything tastes better with hot sauce. And it has a little tacos down here and the hot sauce and all of that. I like that with the tortilla shells. So you get 50 sheets. You get 50 sheets on these, and they are magnetic. I did get the spiral paper as well to match the little coffee theme. Life is sweet with the donut, and then the back looks like that with the coffee and the donuts and everything on it. I also got these for my daughter. This is the Jot brand vinyl binders, and these are the mini binders, and I still have mines from last year. Yeah, I just use it for like taking notes and stuff when I just need to jot something down. I'm a jotter. Like whenever I'm doing something, if I think of something, I'll write it down so I don't forget it. I know I have so much going on that I have to write down notes. So I'm always, you'll find notepads in my house of stuff where I wrote down something like, don't forget to do this or call this. Like I do that all through my house. So I have little stuff like this everywhere, but I still have mines, but these 2 are for my daughter, and these are the 7x9 binders. They had other colors, but I like these 2 for her. Okay, and more markers. This one was the Jot brand, and I don't think I've seen these before. It says brush tip, so you get 2 on, 1 on each end. So you either have a brush tip or a fine tip, so you can choose to use the top or the bottom, whichever one you want. And you have those 4 colors in there, which I like those colors. Then I picked out the soft scripts mechanical pencils, and I love that design on them, like the scribble print on them or design or whatever. Really pretty. So I got 4 of those for my daughter. And then Dollar Tree always has these, but I picked these up and I like that they're assorted ink colors with the 8 pens. And also I did get the highlighters, and you get 8 of them in there, and it usually has 4 in there. They cross that out and put 8, so you get 8 of the highlighters. Okay, we are almost done. I did pick up the Avery jumbo glue stick, so 1 of those. Here's some more pens by Zebra, the Zebra brand pens, like that. And were they assorted colors? Yeah, advanced assorted ink in that one. I picked up the dry erase marker by Bic, the intensity markers. It says erases easily, non-slip grip, and you get the red and the blue. They also had a pack that was just all black. I picked up a pencil sharpener by Westcott. And then I picked up the desktop organizer that has the 2 containers that you can screw on and off to put paper clips or whatever you want to put in here. Yeah, so that will go to my daughter as well. Okay, we have 3 more items. This right here is a calendar updated dry erase, and it comes with stickers and a marker included. So it's a roll erase board that you can unroll, put on the wall. As you can see, it does come with stickers, so you get a sheet of stickers. The dry erase board is, it looks like it's going to be like a, see how you see the grid? It looks like it's going to be a calendar, like calendar. Yeah, it shows a picture right here. So it has all the months of the year, and then you get a marker in here, a dry erase marker. So yeah, this goes on the wall. You can tack it up on the wall and use it to write on. I thought that was cool, so I picked up 1 of those. And then the last 2 items, I just threw that. The last 2 items were these Planters peanuts, and one is in smoked peanut flavor, which is 6 ounces, and the other one is chipotle peanuts. And I think I was just a little hungry when I was walking through the store, and I was like, okay, let me get something to snack on, and I ended up picking up those 2. So that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, sometimes when I'm in the store filming, I do go back and I pick up stuff, and yeah, so I just wanted to show you what I had most recently on my haul, and you know, just show you what I picked up sometimes. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you real soon in a video when I head back out to the store. Okay guys, bye.